It's Friday morning, April 1st, 2022, and stock markets are mixed this morning, but one segment that's doing well is Chinese EV stocks. This morning, automakers in China announced production numbers for the first quarter of 2022, and the one that jumped out was NIO. The company produced 9,985 vehicles in March, up 63% from February, and 25,768 vehicles in the first quarter of the year, up 29% from a year ago. Shares of NIO jumped as much as 10% and have held strong gains today. The EV industry is being hailed as a growth market, but a number of challenges have hit companies just as they're ramping up. Chips are in short supply, raw material costs are up, and in China, an increase in COVID cases has caused investors to question whether or not a company like this can keep up production. So far, the answer seems to be positive, but what does this mean for EVs overall? Before we get there, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications for breaking stock news and great investing insights. Now, broadly, the EV industry is in solid shape with range increases and prices becoming more reasonable compared to traditional vehicles. But challenges have hit the industry across the board that hasn't spared any EV maker, and this is at least a sign that they're managing their way through this crisis. We haven't heard Tesla's production numbers yet, but investors are also expecting strong demand in production from them, similar to NIO, because they serve a similar high-end segment of the market. As investors navigate their way through this market, the first challenge to answer is production, which seems to be improving at all EV makers. But we haven't yet seen these companies reach a point where they've saturated the market with supply and started competing with each other on price. That's where the rubber will meet the road for companies like NIO and Tesla. I think NIO is in a great position as a leading manufacturer in China, and with a market cap of $33 billion compared to $1.1 trillion for Tesla, it's arguably more reasonably valued. We need to see NIO continue to grow and scale, including an upcoming SUV release, but this is a top EV stock, and the company proved that with strong first quarter production. Long term, I think this could be a big winner for investors. Now be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications for the latest on your favorite stocks, and until next time, fool on everyone.